So when you moved to this web version of this, was this driven by what you said earlier in terms of, well, we realized we are kind of building this cloud solution anyway, so why not have a web interface as well? Or was this part of kind of a move to pivot and focus on a different customer, more kind of B2B type?
So a couple of regions. Of course, it was a cloud-based service, so we can provide a web-based interface to the same functionality, right, of self-signing. But we were also seeing a pattern of usage or feedback from our customers, right? Most of these users were already business professionals, right? So they're happy with our mobile app, but somebody in their company, also needs to be, whether they're in HR or maybe in sales or operations, they're not on the go. They are desktop, they're office-based professionals, right? And they started looking for, hey, do you have the capability to send a contract out for signature? You're doing it great for receiving a contract and signing it. What about the other side of the pain point, right? So these two sort of feedback, hey, we are a cloud-based solution. Let's anyway do web, but we also need to go up the value chain and solve for other use cases that are needed within an enterprise or a business. And we already have great affinity or great recognition among our mobile user base, customer base. So that sort of led us to, hey, we need to invest in expanding the product capabilities of being able to send contracts out for signature and manage those contracts in a single repository, right? Various folks will be sending sales contracts or employment contracts or NDAs, but you need a single repository or interface for you to organize and retrieve and give visibility, right? And that sort of meant that, hey, we need to also provide a web-based platform. And then that sort of started the journey for where DocuSign was coming in from the enterprise use case to the end user case, and we were going in from end user case to the business use case. So web to mobile, they were coming, and we are going with mobile to web, right? So a convergence will happen with the sort of pain points and use cases we are solving for.